Want to remove your passkey from WhatsApp? If you no longer want to use passkey authentication, this guide will walk you through the steps to delete it from your device. Start by opening WhatsApp on your smartphone and ensuring you're logged into your account. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. On the Account page, scroll down and tap Passkeys. Here, you'll see the passkey associated with your account. To delete it, simply tap Remove Passkey, then confirm your choice. Once deleted, the passkey will no longer be linked to your account. From now on, when logging into WhatsApp, you'll need to enter your phone number and verification code instead of using the passkey. You've successfully removed the passkey from WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.